It is found in the books that educate, the packaging that protects, and the notebooks that record stories. Paper is part of our daily lives in ways we often don't even notice. Before it reaches you, an entire industry is at work, transforming renewable resources into products essential to society. To keep production running smoothly, Eutectic provides wear protection and component reclamation solutions, extending equipment service life and boosting productivity. Operating continuously, this equipment faces abrasion, corrosion, and harsh conditions that demand maximum reliability. You see paper in its final form. We help protect the industry that produces it. Eutectic 120 years of global history, 70 years of history in Brazil, delivering innovation and solutions since 1906.